Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the North American stock market's wild ride over the past 30 days. Buckle up because it's been a roller coaster. First up, let's talk about the recent market volatility. Over the past month, we've seen significant ups and downs, driven by concerns over trade wars, recession fears, and fluctuating economic data. One of the main contributors to this instability, you guessed it, Trump's trade war and his disputes with Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Trump's tariffs and his public criticism of Powell have added fuel to the fire, leading to increased market uncertainty. Now, let's rewind a bit to April 21st. It was a rough day for major North American indices. The S&P TSX Composite in Toronto dropped by 0.8%, wiping out roughly $30 billion in value. Over in the US, the S&P 500 took a massive hit, falling by 2.4% and losing nearly $1 trillion. The Dow Jones and NASDAQ weren't spared either, with declines of 5% and 6% respectively. Adding to the mix, Volvo slashed its North American heavy truck market outlook from 300,000 to 275,000 vehicles for 2025. The uncertainty over tariffs has made customers hesitant, leading Volvo to report lower than expected Q1 profits and announce upcoming US layoffs. Fast forward to today, April 23rd, 2025. The markets have shown some resilience. The S&P 500 is up by 1.71% at 5,378.31. The Dow 30 has climbed 1.30% to 39,695.51. NASDAQ is up a solid 2.56% at 16,718.9. And the Russell 2000 has risen by 2.38% to 1935.21. The VIX, often referred to as the fear gauge, has dropped by 5.48% to 28.89. Gold, however, has taken a hit, down 3.77% to 32.9060. In terms of economic data, we've seen some key releases this week. Flash PMI data from multiple regions provided insights into economic conditions. In the US, we've got data on durable goods orders for March, new home sales for March, and the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index for April. In Canada, we've seen retail sales numbers for February and the new housing price index for March. On the currency front, the Canadian dollar has risen to 72.36 cents US, while oil prices have dropped to $63.50 per barrel, down 1.8%. Globally, the reactions have been mixed. Asian markets had a mixed performance, with the Nikkei 225 TUD5 down, but the Hang Seng and SSE up. China, meanwhile, issued warnings against trade deals that could harm its interests. And in the US, 10-year Treasury bond yields have risen to 4.405%. That's all for today, folks. Remember, the stock market can be unpredictable, so always do your research and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, keep investing wisely.